Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you the new Huawei Nova Y61 that just came out this November. Inside the box, we have the Huawei Nova Y61, a clear silicone case, the SIM ejector pin, a fast charger with USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and user manual. The Huawei Nova Y61 is powered by HiSilicon Kirin 710 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage and runs on Android OS version 12.0 out of the box. It comes with a LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable battery. It features a 6.52 inches IPS display with 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. The IPS technology is one of the most leading LCD technologies in the world. Nova Y61 is 3G and 4G capable. This smartphone has a built-in GPS receiver. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that allows the determination of the exact geographical location on Earth. The Nova Y61 comes with near-field communications (NFC) functionality for transferring content with other NFC-enabled devices. This Huawei smartphone has FM radio receiver. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.